Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what you need, the exact text you'll say and the video file you'll add it to. Once done, decide whether you'll use TTS or Record Live. TTS ensures consistent levels while Live adds personality. Open your editor, import the MP4, then add the text document and any reference audio to the timeline. Make sure to set project sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, so audio aligns cleanly with video playback. Now create the audio. Use your chosen TTS voice or record directly into a mic, aiming for consistent levels near -12 dB peak. Once recorded, trim silence, remove clicks, and add natural pauses for readability. This improves comprehension. Export as WAV or high bitrate MP3 and import it. Place the clip on the timeline, align starts to the visual cues and lip movements where applicable, and nudge by milliseconds until words match actions. Make sure to save incremental versions. Finish by mixing. Lower background music during speech using sidechain or manual gain automation so the voice stays clear. Apply gentle EQ to remove muddiness and a light compressor for consistent loudness. Listen on headphones and speakers to confirm balance and correct any sync drift. Make sure to check mono compatibility. Export the final video using AAC or PCM audio at 256 kbps or higher for quality. If audio drifts, recheck frame rate and sample rate mismatches as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.